Hi, my name is Mike, and in this video, I would like to give you an overview of my online course, Construction Estimation Quantity Takeoff Fundamentals. Please note that with the completion of this online course, you will get a certificate of completion that you can show to your employer or potential employers that you have mastered the fundamental concepts of construction estimation and quantity takeoff. If you're interested, I've put the link to this course in the YouTube video description below. With this course, you will learn the fundamental knowledge for construction estimation, as well as the concept of quantity takeoff with the focus on building construction. So you will learn quantity takeoff for things such as excavations, concrete, windows, and doors. This course is for professionals who are interested to work as an estimator for construction projects, as well as people who just got a job in the construction industry and look for ways to get foundation knowledge. Lastly, this course is for students who are interested in how to estimate for construction projects. So now let us look at the course outline for our Construction Estimation Quantity Takeoff Fundamentals online course. First of all, we're going to go through some foundation knowledge where we're going to learn what is construction estimating, what is the concept of contract and bidding, as well as how to do estimation in general. Then we will move on to our second section, and this giant section contains of various detailed knowledge on doing quantity takeoff for various aspects of construction. So you will look at things such as excavation, concrete, masonry, structured metals, wood, as well as other things such as protections, electrical, plumbing and heating, finishing, windows and doors, as well as the utility aspect. And this basically covers the entire course, where actually the majority of our content is going to be aiming at the different quantity takeoff aspects within building construction. And this basically sums up what is contained in this online course. Now, of course, I do have other courses that I made available in various online portals that offer certificate of completion, as well as teaching you the fundamental important concepts for your career within the utility as well as the energy industry. Another way that you can connect with me is through Twitter and YouTube. So if you want to connect me in Twitter, you could actually look at my Twitter handle, EE Bootcamp, in which you can look at the latest news in the world of electrical engineering. And of course, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel to get the latest free training videos, as I offer a lot of non-certificate completion online courses, mini courses, as well as other interesting concepts regarding to the utility and the energy world. And lastly, of course, I have left the link for this course in the YouTube video description. So if you're interested in enrolling this course, please click the link in the YouTube video description below. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my courses.